In this video, I will show you how to use TikTok search. Firstly, when you open up your site selection on your home screen right here and you want to search something on your broadcaster on TikTok, you need to tap on your right upper side on that search box setup. And here you can type for example, Cristiano Ronaldo, and from here on the top securities, it will shows up the users which are related onto that name, and also right down it will shows up videos which are related onto that hashtag, which is Cristiano Ronaldo, or simplify the name of the caption. Yeah, right here as you can see, you can scroll it and you can take it videos from Cristiano Ronaldo. But if you go again right here and you type for prank, also it will shows up videos which are related onto that prank, as you can find it right here. Yeah, this is a prank which it has been uploaded from this person on TikTok, and now you can watch it right now.